to Tilly Hipsy. Tilly, get closer to your mic, and I have Tillys around me, so you are one of them. How did you also start this business? Who introduced you into this music video vixen kind of business?
Who introduced me?
How did you start it? Yeah.
I don't even remember how it started, but I think I actually wanted to be an actress. I still want to, but I had a few pullbacks on a couple of sets, and then I was like, me growing up, I've been dancing and all of that, National Theatre, Kida Fest, up and down. So through jumping from movie sets and then not liking the vibe, I got to meet Sammy, and then he started making me dancing on his stage. I met Sammy through Big Nash.
Okay.
Yes. So Big Nash, this man, he started pushing.
Macho man, Big Nash.
Yeah, he was very protective of me. You brother me, you know the Buji.
Yeah, I know.
So he started pushing me. I started with stage. I started dancing on stage, and then I was with Kisses Dance Crew. So I started actually as a dancer. Yes, and then one time, one artist was like, "You have a nice body." This is, I think, I had already shot a couple of music videos, but Lingua Cat and then Governor, they made me model in a music video for the first time.
Okay.
But then before then, I had already shot like a few under G works, and then I was doing my whole stage thing. So yeah, that's how it started.
I see. So how is your first approach to work? Someone calls Tilly Hipsy. What are the questions you ask before you agree for the video shoot?
Okay, when you call me for a music video, I ask you who the artist is, and then I ask for the location, and I ask for the concept. Even before we talk about price, I'll make sure I get a mood board that you're working with. I really want to know details of the shoot you're doing. If I'm comfortable, then we can talk about money.
So what will make you comfortable? What will make you uncomfortable?
I don't even know what will make me uncomfortable.
So far you haven't declined any music video yet?
Oh, I've declined plenty.
So those were the things.
It's not because I wasn't comfortable. It's because their offers weren't good. Yes, not because I wasn't comfortable, but
because their offers were not good.
Yeah.
Okay, so after knowing the artist and liking the song, then you talk about the money.
Yeah.
What does your money include? Costume, makeup. What is?
It includes mostly on music videos. They have their makeup artist on the set. So mine includes the concept, whether I'll wear bikini or I'll be covered up, and then what I'll wear, how many outfits, and of late I look at the duration too, and then the location. They are very important.
Okay. Yeah. Now, how you would look in the video, does it affect the pricing? So, for instance, looking at you, someone sees a beautiful figure. There's Charlie with your fashion bikini na capture. It comes with different prices.
Oh yes. If I'm covering up, it's different. If I'm wearing bikini, it's different. If I am being a model, my pricing is different. If you want me to twerk, it's different.
Tilly, can we list the pricing so that?
Oh no, we can't list the pricing because sometimes we shoot for potentials as well. Maybe I listen to a particular song and their money is not good, but I kind of like the vibe and then the whole weight the song is carrying. I can shoot for money lesser than what I would charge regularly. Oh,
okay. Knowing that this is a potential
this
hit.
Is a potential artist.
Okay. When it goes out, I'll make more money. I see. When someone wants to be touchy in a video, does it also come with additional pricing?
For me, I don't know where touchy means, but I am psyched.
Oh, he wants to stay behind you and treat you small.
I'm psyched that every music video I'll be touched. To me, if I charge you, I am charging you as if you are going to touch me. Yes. You going to touch me doesn't mean you are going to cross your boundaries, because you can't look at my Instagram page and then disrespect me on set. Oh yes, they know. You can't cross certain boundaries.
What would you consider as crossing boundaries? Because you agreed that I can touch.
I agree that you can touch me. You know, it's called acting.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't have to do the actual thing. Okay, let me assume this is
Sammy Rasta, yeah.
And then I have to be playing with you like this. Yeah, you can be touching me like this and all of that, but you can't you can't hold my breast.
You can't grab it.
You can't spank me. No.
Or maybe the director wants it like Digital Rasta. He wants some spanking.
You see,
slow motion. Or no, slow motion.
There's a way to touch, but you can't spank me like flat.
Why does it turn you on?
It pisses me off.
Oh,
I feel only someone I am sexually attached to has the right to do that. Any other person, being whoever you are, I don't care how big you are, you just can't cross certain boundaries.
I see. Tilly, have you also gone on set and you saw an artist or maybe the characters in the video and you had a thing for someone? Like, Charlie, this is a cool guy, man. Never. Why are you saying this with macho?
Like never.
Oh, but there are some guys, handsome boys.
They are not like nice looking, but hey, there are so many nice boys in the world, though.
I know.
Not just I said to you, I'll be liking somebody's teeth. Nah.
Because do you know why I'm saying this? Some people have this perception. I'm sure if I get enough time, I'll come back to pick your views on this. People have some perception that these ladies in music videos there. You
see, as much as I want to condemn that, I work with ladies and I have seen how some of them act on set, so I don't blame them. I mean, some of them make it happen for them, so I know I'm a fault.
So really, there are some cases like that.
Oh yeah, there are.
But they are not going up like the COVID cases.
Oh no. I mean, we are all learning, and mostly, and those who do that are the upcoming ones. They lie to them. I'll do you this. I'll give you hype. I keep thanking God I met Big Nash and Samini at the right time. They really taught me a lot.
I see.
Yeah, they do that to the upcoming girls.
What is your worst experience you've had on a set before?
My worst experience was making me come to set very early in the morning, and as at 12 a.m. I hadn't shoot one self. I went to the set at 9 a.m. and then
you were there.
I was there till 12 a.m. Now the director was so lucky, and fortunately for him, the artist was somebody I made very known, and then I respected the artist very well. But even with that, I displayed a little. I told him, look, I'm going. You've wasted my time. And I waited because I respect the artist. So the artist had to come and beg me, and I was like, okay, well, they're my baby, so let me just do it. But I think by far, that's my worst.
That's your worst experience so far. I see. And what has been your highest earning for a music video shoot?
In this country. My highest earning. It's not high. It's not high because I want more.
Okay.
And I don't know. Any money I have received from a music video, I feel I deserve it and more. So I won't call it my...
So what have you received that was a little satisfactory? Maybe not your highest. It's true. It might not be your highest because that's not your bar.
Yeah.
But what have you received that you felt, okay, this is satisfactory, I'll consider it and go all out?
My production with Kwame Dinkra and Hammer. Booking my flight in and out to Kumasi, my hotel. Hammer spent about, I think, roughly 4,000
on you.
Yeah.
He
even gave me cash like 3,000 when I was coming back.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you went there, did you sleep alone in your hotel room?
I was the main character. The song was about me. I'm the only model.
No, I'm asking about the hotel room.
Yes.
You slept alone.
My makeup artist had her room, and then I had my room.
I see. Why did they not see you?
They saw me. And
nobody wanted to spend the night with you?
No.
Or you wouldn't have agreed?
I wouldn't have agreed, and I don't think anybody on that set. Nah, not those people, man.
Oh, why? Did Jessica vex?
No. Like those are people that really respect me, and then I respect them.
Oh, but what is respect and?
Rasta me, if you don't respect yourself, because if you come and I turn you down, it's a shame.
No, it's not a shame. Let's try again later. Try your luck later. What is a shame?
Nobody did. So
nobody did.
No.
Are you guys comfortable going to set with your boyfriends?
Well, I have before.
You've gone
several times.
You've gone to a video set with your boyfriend before?
Several times.
And
even that particular set, I was telling you was my worst. I was there
with him.
Yeah.
Does he have issues sometimes with how some scenes are shot?
It doesn't have to be him. If there's any shoot I am not doing, it's because I don't want to do. But it has never been because my partner doesn't like this or that. Nah.
I see. Let me go back to Dila. Dila, would you be able to do this business even after childbirth?
No.
Yeah. You after childbirth you stop.
Yeah.
And when do you want to start having babies? Soon. Are you planning to marry before childbirth, or you can give birth even before marriage?
After marriage.
After marriage.
Yeah.
And you are saying soon. So what it means is that your longevity or your lifespan in this business is not going to last for maybe 10 years, because I'm not sure you wait till 10 years before you get married to give birth.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are just doing it for a while.
Yeah.
And after that, what would you be doing?
Me myself, I'm an artist.
You sing?
Yeah.
Wow, where's your song? You have it here. Jata, we will listen to Dila's song. Call Jata for me. We'll listen to. So after childbirth, you wouldn't do it again?
Yeah.
I see. How about you, Dulcie? Would you still do this business after childbirth?
No, I won't.
Why? Why are you guys all saying you won't do it after? Why?
I won't even wait for me to give birth before I'll stop.
You won't even wait to give birth before you stop. So it means you plan stopping soon.
Yeah.
Why?
It's not really paying like that, so.
It's not really paying. You said you've been doing it for how many years? 4 years?
Yes.
And it's not paying 4 years. You are still in it. Now you are thinking.
Yeah, I'm in it because of something.
What thing? Okay, I guess you want to be popular out of that, then you can divert to do something else.
Yeah, I want it for business.
You want it for business. So you want to build an image, a branch out of this, then you divert to do the next thing.
Yes.
So how many years do you intend to do it before you retire? Because you said soon you retire from this business.
I can't tell for now, but
you can't tell for now, but you are ready to retire. I see. Tilly, same way.
No.
Which one? Have I asked the question?
No, your question was if they will stop after childbirth, right? No, I won't.
You won't.
No.
So it means you want to do it for the longer haul.
I actually want to be in the industry for a longer time. So even if at some point I quit music videos, and that will be because maybe I feel it's not paying like I deserve, but I wouldn't leave the entertainment industry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it might not be the video vixen kind of business, but you could be an actress. Okay. So you want to be an industry
full-time.
Okay. I get you. Okay, so this is how we're going to end it. Tilly, you give us your Instagram handle, and again you tell us how you expect people to approach you, because I know after here those who are watching, they are feeling you already. You tell them how they should approach you for business.
Okay, so my Instagram handle is Tilly_Hipsy. Please, when you text me in my DM, just go straight forward. If you want to work with me, just state it. I want us to work on this particular project, even if you are not mentioning price or whatever. Let me know that is work related. That's why you're texting me. But you can't come and do me, hi dear, how are you? I've met a couple of media people at places, and they'll be like, I'm in your DM and you're not replying, but your message is hi dear, how are you doing? If I'm not fine,
you can't help me.
There's nothing you can do about it.
Especially when I demand Momo, you won't pay.
You know, so just go straight forward and then tell me this is what I have, and then I'll gladly open up to you
and we'll do business. I see. When you guys are in town, do you get like attention? Hey, I know you. Do you guys get that?
Me, it's only at events, so it'll be a miss out because I'm very, in my shells a lot.
So when you go to events, that's when people identify you.
Yeah, that's when.
I see. How about you, Dulcie? How do you want people to approach you?
Okay, my handle on IG is Akosia_Delcy. Just test me. Check on me. Fine, I'll reply you.
They should check on you.
Yeah.
So you are not bothered with hide here?
No, I'm not.
You are not bothered. Okay. Guys, take advantage.
No.
No. Okay. Dila, how about you? Your Instagram handle, and how would you also want to be approached after that? People will make some final remarks before we close. Our time is up though.
Okay, Dila_music on Instagram.
Dila_music. Yeah. Oh, okay. So which one do you want to do? Do you want to do the music thing more, or you want to do the music video thing more?
The reason why I'm doing the video vixen now is because of the money and the music. I'm not really getting anyone to support me and all that, so I've paused it. When I get a sponsor,
I see.
Just propose.
Yeah, I know. He came here for content.
No. To sponsor and
Dila.
Yeah.
Okay. Nana, maybe some 1 minute vibe to them. Our time is up, though.
I'm a tea conversation, and I must say that our industry is very, very, very interesting.
And the big boys rather are no paying.
We have to find a way of helping ourselves. Once we help ourselves, we all eat. I don't think that you want to hire somebody to come and play a role in your music video. That's how they also feed themselves, family, people linked to their businesses and all that. What am I saying? So I hope that going forward, our big boys who are blessed with something small, will put something on the table.
Okay.
But I want to say that they have to.
Let me say this before I forget. Mauku Kuaji is a talent hunt manager. He does casting for so many movies in town, both internationally and locally. He says I should ask if any of you would want to channel your talent into acting.
Moi!
Yeah.
Hey, Mauku Kuaji, you got one.
That's even one reason why I accepted to come. Rasta, I wanted to talk to you about it. Like me, you can ask Monty. I told him this morning. Full acting, please. Find me. No, let me find you. Where is he?
You want to find him?
No,
Emeka. Charlie Bacho me on.
I was just about to say that we should take advantage of the fame, and milk it properly.
Okay.
Now, in the past, we tried to work with people like them as talent managers. But Sammy, and easy to work with them, even for them to understand that they have to go through a certain process of branding, positioning, change the level of work that you do. Because in as much as it's money, you don't have to always be present at everywhere. It's not easy.
Okay.
But they have to try and make it a bigger career than it is, because it's a very big thing, and I really, really respect what they do.
Thank you, Nana. Already, Sammy Rasta. Briefly, your time as I
just want to big up you and your team because in our space, me who be say that
industry project
giving such an opportunity to
for us to listen to their stories.
We don't pay attention to them, and so big up to you, your team, for such an initiative. And we hope to see more.
More be coming through.
More beautiful ladies.
Jata told me that he spotted some porn actors. He will be getting them.
Okay, so I am very happy to see these ladies here. Of course, there were so many I saw when we went to Maha, and some of them came, and I witnessed some of the challenges they faced in their line of work. It is very, very difficult for them, like they say. Sexual harassment is something that is so familiar with their line of work, whether they like it or not. It is in the industry, and they suffer it a lot. I don't know how they deal with it, even psychologically, because this is something that will go a long way to even affect their career.
Okay.
So if any of them can answer that, how do they deal with it? And people have the perception that they are also excuse me to say, prostitute. Yes, so
they are whores.
Yes, how do they deal with such allegations?
Okay, let's answer his question. Dila, let me start with you. Let's close quickly. How do you respond to people, or how do you react to people who make you feel, because of the job you are doing, you are just easy going girl? They can just call you and are you in that kind of conversation?
No, myself, I don't really get that though. Yeah. Because a lot of directors have tried doing that with me, even photographers and all that.
They want to have their way.
Yeah. Sometimes, as Tilly was saying, hey, I'll make you big, I'll make you famous and all that. It's all lies. They want you to open there and you're this thing for them.
And you don't open.
So if you don't have experience or you don't know anything about such,
you fall for them. I see. Yes. Akosia Dosi, how about that? How do you respond to such people? How do you react to them? Those who think that, Akosia Dosi, I bet also in the tour video munti upon their passion.
I'm not usually rude to them though. Because I respect my brand also.
Okay.
I say if I'm rude to them, they can spoil my brand and be like, away there, like So I try letting them understand this is not my field.
Okay.
I'm not into that. So.
Okay. Yeah. And I know Dan Lottie has a statement on Tilly. He says, Tilly is professional with her work, irrespective of her raunchy, dishy, and sexy body. I've worked with her before, and she's super good. Tilly, how do you also face them? Because the other crowd are more. Because
funny enough, I have never encountered such.
Have you dated an artist before?
No.
Not even one.
Never.
I heard you were dating one artist.
Who?
I'm not sure you want me to mention the name.
Then I haven't.
No, do you want me to mention the name?
Mention.
Tilly, do you want us to go there?
I haven't dated an artist before. Who's me dated that? Call the name.
I heard you dated Cocovelli.
Oh.